Christ the Redeemer, or Cristo Redentor, stands majestically atop the Corcovado Mountain in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This colossal statue of Jesus Christ, with outstretched arms, has become an emblem of both the city and the country. Completed in 1931 after 9 years of construction, it was designed by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa and created by French sculptor Paul Landowski. The statue itself is 30 meters, 98 feet, tall, with its arms stretching 28 meters, 92 feet, wide, and stands on a 8-meter, 26-foot, pedestal. Constructed from reinforced concrete and soapstone, Christ the Redeemer was built as a symbol of peace and a gesture of faith from the Brazilian people. The idea for such a monumental statue was first proposed in the mid-1850s, but it wasn't until the 1920s that the project gained momentum, fueled by public donations. Visitors can reach the statue by a scenic train ride through the lush Tijuca Forest National Park, which offers stunning views of Rio de Janeiro along the way. At the summit, the panoramic view is nothing short of breathtaking, encompassing famous sites like Sugarloaf Mountain, Copacabana Beach, and the sprawling cityscape of Rio. In 2007, Christ the Redeemer was named one of the new 7 wonders of the world, highlighting its cultural and historical significance.